Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
Good day, I'm Erica Esther Florendo. I'm 39 years old. I'm Filipino. I am Roman Catholic. I have four children. I'm married. Their ages has 18, 16, 13, and 4 years old. I am graduated at STI College Batangas, Office Management of Diploma in Office Management, and as of now, I am working at my own canteen. I cooking all the Filipino food.
Okay, so you mentioned earlier that you are a college graduate,
Yes.
right? Is it a 4 years degree?
No, it's 2 years only.
Okay, and have you used your college degree before?
Yes, I was working at some company here in the Philippines just for 6 months only.
Okay, then who will take care of your sons if you would go again to Hong Kong?
My husband will take care of my son and then my mother and also my father.
Do they support you?
Yes.
Okay, and can you tell me your work experience? Let's start it from the Philippines.
Okay, I was work here in the Philippines since 2014 to 2016. I have four members that I serve, and then I have two children to take care of. Their ages is 1 year old and 3 years old, and then I do household work and cooking, marketing, and some of them as cooking and for my employers.
Okay, and you mentioned that you do cooking, right?
Yes.
So what types of dishes do you usually cook when you are here in the Philippines?
I do cook for Filipino foods like adobo, menudo, caldereta, spaghetti, pancit, and some of them was the sweet like leche plan for
Okay.
salad.
And how many dishes do you usually prepare in a meal for them?
For the breakfast, I cook for them 2 to 3 meal. For the lunch, also like that.
Okay, so you're the one who took care, the 1 and 3 years old daughter,
Yes.
right? And do you have any coworkers during that time?
Nothing.
Okay, so can you tell me your daily working routine or daily routine when you were taking care of these two toddlers?
Okay, for the morning, I just wake up at 5 a.m., then prepare for myself before, and then at 6, I do cooking for the breakfast of the children and for the families, and then I send them to the school. And after I send them, I clean the house. After that, when it was the lunchtime, I cook for the two children and bring the food from for the school. And then after come back, washing the clothes, and then I get them to the school at the afternoon, and then in the afternoon I will cook again for the dinner, and then take a rest for the evening.
Okay. And can you tell me your work experience when you were working in Hong Kong?
Okay, was working in Hong Kong at December 2022 to the August 2024. I was break my contract there because the reason is I have the family emergency here in the Philippines. That's why I need to go back here. And then I have five family members that I serve. One is 1 year old, and the one is the elderly. And then when I was in the morning, my morning routine in the morning, in every day is when I was wake up in 6 a.m. Then I prepare myself. Then before 7, I will go to the other house to clean the house and prepare food for the baby to send them in school also. And then after I send them in the school, I came back to home and to cook for clean the house. And then after I clean the house, I cook for the lunch, and then I bring it to baby back home to my grandmother. Excuse me. And then after I cook for the dinner, for the lunch, I feed the baby for the lunchtime, and then after the baby sleep, I clean the house, and then when the baby is when the baby is wake up, I bring down here to stay to play the other children, and then after I go back upstairs, I need to clean the baby, take a bath, and then after the baby take a bath, I need to cook for the dinner, and then after that I will take a rest after all the chores.
Okay. So you mentioned that you're the one who cook for the employer's family, right?
Yes.
And what dishes did you usually prepare for them?
Excuse me. Excuse me again. I cook for them 3 meal. One is for sweet, and then the other one is with the soup, and one is for the stir fry, kind of stir fry.
Okay, so is it all Chinese dishes?
Yes.
Okay. Since also you mentioned that you have an experience in taking care of toddler, are you still willing to take care of toddler?
Yes.
Okay. What would you do if the toddler having tantrums?
Okay. I will talk to him and then stay calm. I will not push him to anything. Just stay calm and talk him until he become calm in herself.
Okay. And how about children? Are you willing to take care of children?
Yes.
What could you do if the children were fighting and naughty?
Excuse me, I don't know. When the children is naughty, maybe I just talk to him also. I just talk him smooth, not too much, and then I also give him another. Maybe I give him a food. Maybe he just hungry. That's why he just naughty, and then I could just talk him smooth and quiet.
Okay. What would you do if the kids or if a kid have fever?
Okay. When the kid is have a fever, I will call my employer to tell him that their son or daughter is sick, and then I will put some temperature so that I will tell to my employer what is happening to the baby.
Okay. And is it okay with you to share with the baby's children or elderly?
Yes, of course.
And have you experienced before tutoring or helping children with their homework or school activities?
Yes.
So are you still willing to help them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And aside from that, since you mentioned a while ago that you do cooking, so do you love cooking?
Yes.
If you would rate your cooking skills from 1 to 10, 1 is being the lowest and 10 is being the highest, what would you give for yourself?
Maybe 8.
8 over 10.
Yes.
Okay, so do you think that your cooking is good, or is there any instances before that your employer comment on your cooking, that your cooking is really good?
They said always good because they learn also from me. That's why.
Okay, and are you willing to work with other helpers?
Yes, of course.
Okay, and do you have any message that you want to send to your future employer?
Okay. To my future employer, please choose me. I'm a good helper. I'm trustworthy. I'm hardworking. I can do all the things that you want to do, and I'm willing to learn more from your country. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.